how you can change currency on your Steam. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let's start. First, the first step is just opening up your Steam, right? So after you've done that, on the top right, you will see your name right here. Now it's the manage account section. Just tap on it and open your account details. Tap on account details and just open it up. Now right here, you will see your account details, and under store and purchase history, you will see update store country. Tap on store country. Now on the store country is where you will be able to change your currency, because the currency depends on whatever country you are on. So as it says right here, your country is part of your Steam account settings, and your country settings affect what you see on your Steam store, like the currency you see in prices and the currency of your wallet. This is just what I said in descriptions. Now here you can see if you have moved on to a new country or you're living abroad, you can just change it by doing your first purchase in that country. So after you've done that, and after you've just done the first purchase in another country, your Steam currency will get automatically changed. Now if it says right here, if you're unable to complete the purchase using the payment method, you can just contact Steam support. So as you can see right here, it says how you can change your currency, and that is all for the video, guys. That is how you change your Steam currency. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.